We're cooking. You gotta try this one. This one, amazing. Scallops, cheesy grits, topped with a few little vegetables, ciabatta, over easy egg. Gotta try this. That scallop and those grits. Yes.
All right, just start off with how many servings of grits you want and just follow the package directions, which is typically boiling it. Now, your scallops. This is important. Make sure your scallops are completely thawed out. Thaw them out for 24 hours or even longer if you have to in the refrigerator, but make sure they're thawed. My secret is cooking them in bacon grease and only cook them on one side until they're completely brown. Keep them down until they're browned on that bottom side. So while they were cooking, I just sprinkled a little bit of Old Bay on them, and like I said, cooked them in bacon grease until they were done on the bottom side. I kept checking them. Now I'm going to flip them over once they've turned brown on the bottom, and this is what they look like. And so the bottom's cooking, and I've been checking them. So the bottom looks like the top now. So I'm going to put some butter in there, and I'm going to just let them sit there warm and not try and cook them anymore. Just keep them warm while the rest of my food gets ready. So the scallops are done, so we're going to turn to the grits. Grits are delicious by themselves, but if you add cheese to them and a few other ingredients, they will be spectacular. So on these grits, we're going to add some fresh grated Parmesan. You can grate it yourself, or you can buy it already grated up in a package. Not the fine powder that I'm talking about, the grated Parmesan. And then the kicker on this grits is going to be adding cream cheese, a good dollop of cream cheese. I'm only cooking one serving, so it's probably about, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and then add butter at the end and make sure that you salt it well also, and just kind of mix that up, and it's going to be delicious. Now I also prepared some chopped sweet red pepper, and it's cubed up pretty finely, and also some scallions to go on top of the grits. And that just gives it some color, but it gives it a little bit of crunch and gives it that extra flavor. Now go ahead and cook your over easy egg. This is delicious. If you like over easy, if you like it a little harder, go ahead and cook the yolk all the way through. I added a little bit of water to this and put a lid on it to go ahead and steam it so it would be nice and pretty and white when I served it. And the yolk was like silk. It was so good. All right, everything's ready. Let's put this together and show you what it looks like and try it. This is a super easy breakfast, but I mean, it's like a gourmet breakfast that you would get in a high-end restaurant that you can make at home. And if you buy the scallops in bulk at the grocery store, the supermarket, you can get a really good deal because they are so expensive in a restaurant. So why not do it at home?
Cheesy grits. That is delicious. Scallops. Perfectly tender, seasoned, not rubbery, cooked to perfection. Just topped with a little bit of Zatarain's, cooked in bacon grease, and then I added butter at the end to keep them moist. Oh my goodness. That scallop and those grits. Yes. Oh my. This is Summertime Kev in Poppy's Kitchen with another retired breakfast. Head over to my YouTube channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes, for this recipe, plus tons more easy and delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack time, munchy time, any time of day. I'll see you guys on the next one.